Hey everybody, this is Organic Dairyman, and today is Wednesday, August 15th, and that is the last little bit of oats. We are done with oats. Finished. So I got that little strip, that little 12 windrows all done. Took me just a little bit over an hour to get it done. As you can see, the sun is out, and it was a little better combining today, and so I managed to get it done. Didn't select the combine at all today, so yesterday was just kind of a tough day, but yeah, so that is the last little bit of oats going in. A lot of bugs in it. I don't know why, but yep. So Oats harvest 2018 is over. And so that's that, and that looks like it's done unloading. Yeah, so now we can concentrate on getting all the straw baled, and then I guess I forgot to mention that in the last video that after we get done baling straw, then we gotta go and start third cutting hay, chopping that and stuff. So yeah, so basically, yeah, just to get the straw done, start with third cutting hay, and then get ready with or get things maybe ready, or clean the combine out, get ready for the silage cutter ready for chopping corn silage. I guess we're right here by the cornfield too. Dusty. This side here is a little bit weedier, but a lot of the corn here is about almost done pollinating. Yeah, it is done pollinating. So yeah, so I guess I gotta go back home and unload some straw. Some of my cousins' children, they came over and they're gonna help us unload some straw, so I gotta get back home and help with that. And but yeah, I'm just so relieved that we're finally done combining oats. So I just thought I'd let everybody know that it's over. So just like a huge load lifted off my shoulders to know now that we're finally done with the oats. So yeah, could breathe a sigh of relief. Anyways, but I think that's all I've got for today. And yeah, so anyways, If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a question down in the comment section below. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Check out all my other videos. Check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. And that's everything. So thanks everyone for watching. Thanks everyone for subscribing. And I will catch you later.